Hello there, my name's Richard and I'm from the Soap Kitchen, and today we're going to show you how to make a really simple body butter, which is a completely cold process. Okay, so to make your body butter, you just need some basic kitchen equipment you find in most kitchens. We've got some kitchen scales, we've got a balloon whisk, we've got a little glass bowl, and we've got a measuring jug. We've got a couple of empty jars to put your body butter in, and then we've got the ingredients. Now here we have 160 grams of cold clean water. We have the crucial ingredient here, which is G-Spurs CPW2. This is a cold process emulsifying wax made by Gene Corporation, and it really is crucial. To that, we're going to add Bukuri butter, 6 grams, avocado oil, 6 grams. Then we go dimethicone, just 4 grams. We've got some glycerin, 7 grams, and we've got some isopropyl myristate, which you might know as IPM, and that's 4 grams. We've got a phenoxyethanol EHG as a preservative, that's just 2 grams. And if you wish, you can add some fragrance, just a 1/4 teaspoon.